Mr. Beast paid me all this money to make Iron Man real.
This looks like some Tony Stark
It does.
stuff.
Hacksmith Industries.
Yeah.
Before you open it, you have to agree. If you hurt yourself, you don't sue us.
I don't agree.
I won't. What the frick is this?
Now, we've made a ton of Iron Man tech over the years. The question is, what should we make for Mr. Beast? I did always love that scene from Age of Ultron.
Go to sleep, go to sleep, go to sleep.
Hey Jarvis, are you there, buddy?
At your service, sir.
Can you whip up the design for Veronica, the Hulkbuster suit?
I've put together a 3D SolidWorks model of the Hulkbuster fist for you, sir.
Well, let's get started.
Estimated completion time is 5 hours.
Now, unfortunately, our 3D printers aren't quite big enough for a project like this. Hey Jarvis, can you outsource the design?
Searching for manufacturers, evaluating 12,656 options. Protolabs is the optimal supplier. Protolabs offers quick-turn digital manufacturing services. They specialize in injection molding, CNC machining, 3D printing, and sheet metal fabrication. I've gone ahead and uploaded the parts for 3D printing in SLS nylon for maximum durability. The order has been placed and will be here on Monday.
Our parts have arrived. I'm gonna have Ian start with the assembly.
These look fantastic. That's solid nylon. We're not gonna break that. But start building, we just need this piece. And some linear bearing. It works. This is CO2, and the interesting thing about CO2 is it's actually stored as a liquid. And what that means is you get more storage capacity out of a smaller vessel. So this tank is actually 800 PSI. 800 PSI is far too much for this, so I have a regulator to drop it down to 120 PSI. I don't think one tank's enough, so I'm actually gonna have two, one on either side with a T-fitting and 2 check valves. There we go, 2 CO2 cylinders, completely self-contained. Oh, I just pressurized it. Well, that's 1 CO2 cylinder. The other one's empty.
To automate the fist so it can punch super fast, we threw together a reciprocating circuit in Altium Designer. You can try Altium absolutely free using my link below. Next up is the aesthetics. This is the new Hacksmith shop coat, now available at Hacksmith.store. Let's primer this stuff up.
Tell you what, throw a little hot rod red in there.
With the Hulkbuster finished, all that's left is to give it to Mr. Beast. This video is sponsored by the thrilling multiplayer vehicle combat game, War Thunder. Choose from over 2,000 tanks, planes, helicopters, and ships that span over 100 years of history. With the recent 4K texture pack, you see every scratch, every rivet, in stunning detail. Personally, I love the immersive atmosphere of War Thunder. The detail put into each and every individual vehicle is just insane. The game offers so many customization options, and here's one I'm sure you're gonna love: the Hacksmith logo in-game. Follow my link below to get my unique decal, but also get a free premium vehicle and 3 days account boost. Best of all, it's 100% free on PC, PlayStation, and Xbox. So join me and over 50 million players from all over the world, and I'll see you on the battlefield. All right, Jimmy, so you remember in December you did a RE-ENACT video and you featured my Iron Man repulsor.
I did.
And the audience picked it.
And now we're here. He told me there's a surprise, but he won't tell me what it is until the cameras are rolling.
So we took that 10 grand.
I just noticed you're pretty buff. Have you guys noticed that? Anyways, keep going.
we took that 10 grand and we made something even better.
This looks serious. This looks like some Tony Stark.
It does. Hacksmith Industries.
Yeah.
Before you open it, you
Yeah.
have to agree. If you hurt yourself, you don't sue us.
I don't agree.
I won't.
But if he gets hurt, you owe me a new funny guy.
What the frick is this?
I can already tell what it is, but
Is
what
that the
does it do?
Yeah.
It's getting my heart pumping. It feels good. It's been a while since my life was Everest.
Again?
Oh, that sound scared me. I'm terrified. Oh, I need to punch something right now. Chris, you need to put it on. The problem is I'm not dumb enough to wield this how it should be wielded.
All right, we're hot. You're the one.
Can I punch your camera wall? Is it still working? Lens error.
Oh!
God, this is a lot of therapy.
Wait,
Push the button. Are you sure? Push the button.
Now look at your hand.
See, it leaves an imprint on it.
Here, get a shot of this. Don't mind me. Just walk on shattered glass with no shoes. Well, I'm gonna start giving 10 grand to more people.
Yeah, it worked out really well. We got a fist.
Well, it was an investment. We give him 10 grand. He gives us a much more expensive toy.
That's that Canon quality.
No cameras were harmed in the making of this video.
Now, we couldn't let Mr. Beast have all the fun, so we've actually made 2 more that are faster and twice as powerful. Plus, we've made these awesome accessories so we can smash all the things. This is tempered glass. It's super strong, but I'm stronger.
Sleep, go to sleep, go to sleep.
What the? Here's Hacksmith.
But, you know.
Oh my god.
Not sure why he's doing this. Okay, ready? This is a ton of fun. I've got to let the team try. First one up, Crystal, one of our new interns. Give it a shot, Crystal.
So afraid. All right, let's do this. All right. Oh my God. I did pretty good. Even the tall ones.
Okay, you ready, buddy? I don't know. Ready for this? A little nervous.
All right, ready?
It got me.
I can't believe you're on the receiving end of that. Woo. Man, that is a handful to hang on to.
Oh! Basketball! Woo!
Oh my God.
Oh no.
Oh my god, his face.
Like air hockey.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Hey,
Hey, can you pass me the punch?
Someone say punch? In the left corner, we have Ian, 6'2", 145 pounds, dripping wet with a sledgehammer. In the right corner, we have the Hacksmith wielding 2 Hulkbuster fists, capable of punching it over 700 times per minute. Who will break the wall first?
Are you ready?
Yep.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
I'm through! Let me help you. I win. Easier than expected. Huge thank you again to War Thunder for sponsoring this video. Play the most dynamic vehicle combat game now on PC, PlayStation, and Xbox. Click my link in the description below to get my unique decal as well as free premium bonuses. I'll see you there.